Today we got a video. I'm just reading the title as if like I'm reading the title like as whatever as I'm recording it, but yeah. Okay, all right, let me get it together. Okay, today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Enormous Bully. Okay, let me get it together. All right. The title of the video is Enormous Bully Threatens Police, Ends Horribly.
On March 3rd, 2025, officers received a call regarding a potential robbery.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Do you need something?
Yeah, so my phone was taken.
Are you the caller for this?
Yeah.
What happened?
My phone was taken by one of y'all police officers, and I wanted that.
Did you just call 911 about that?
Yeah.
Central 9102.
Go ahead.
This is not a robbery. The complainant is 9472's person they were dealing with earlier. So
I'm sorry, I don't want to, like, this is a bad day for me already. I don't want to cause no drama. I just want my phone back. See, they said they had, like, a search warrant and stuff for my phone, but
Alright, 10-4-14, get disregarded.
they didn't show me the search warrant. They just took my phone.
okay, but you realize like you can't call 911 and say you were robbed and then
yeah.
give out a random description.
I know.
Saying that two people left on foot and they're police officers.
I didn't give them random. I was like, they had jeans on, they had a shirt.
Okay, but you understand that like when the police take your phone, it's not a robbery.
Did you
I know it's not a
a public service or a special?
Yeah, for right now. But you understand like you just can't call 911 and say that people took your phone and they're actually the police.
I know, but I want my phone back. Like, I have a job, I have kids, you know. Like, and I'm sorry for wasting our time, but I just want my phone.
Yes, but again, like you realize you can't call 911 and say that you were robbed
I know, but,
and it's the police that took your phone.
but y'all don't have a search warrant, that's what I'm saying. Y'all just took my phone, but
They
with no
seized
search
it for an
warrant.
investigation.
So, like, y'all finna lie to me, so if I lie to me, I get arrested and stuff, but y'all wanna lie to me, oh yeah, you can have my phone, but y'all take it. How does that work?
So nobody's lying to you. They told you they were taking your phone.
No, the police lied to me. He gonna laugh in my face, like, what? He gonna laugh in my face. Like, this
Okay.
shit funny. It's not funny.
Well, I wasn't there. I don't know what the officer did, but you just lied to us by calling saying you were
I don't
robbed
care. I
and then
don't
gave a
care.
description
I
of
did not.
a male Hispanic and a male white.
He was Hispanic. He was white, too.
Yeah, but they're police officers. They're not just a random guy walking on the street.
So a police officer could get arrested for anything, right? They couldn't get arrested for anything. So
They didn't commit a robbery
I know, but they still took my phone without my permission.
with legal authority to do so.
No, there was a warrant there.
They seized your phone for an investigation.
No, what investigation? I didn't steal no car. They want to accuse me of stealing no
Okay,
car.
well,
but they didn't want to show me the
listen,
video.
I don't know who you are and I don't know what you did or allegedly did, okay? I don't know why they're investigating you or why they needed your phone. All I know is that they were out
But
at your
I
house,
need
they
my
took your
phone.
phone.
I have a job, though. I'm going to get fired. I have kids. I know you have a job. You're doing your job,
Go
guys.
to the PD and speak with their supervisor then. We don't know why they still took your phone.
Bro, I don't have a car. Can you take me there?
No. Parent?
No. They're at work. I don't want to bother them.
Okay, we can wait till they get home.
Like it's not illegal for them to take your phone as part of an
No, I
investigation.
want my phone, though. I have school tomorrow. I have kids. I have a job.
Okay, well you're not going to get your phone between now and tomorrow. I can at least tell you that.
Why? For what,
Because this
though?
stuff takes a
I'm
few
going to have to
days.
wait all the way till court to get a search warrant on my phone.
I don't know how quickly this stuff gets done, but I can tell you it's not within like a night. I don't do that, okay? I'm on the street. I'm not a detective, but I can tell you that this doesn't take like one night to get this done.
No, let me speak to them.
I will pass on your concerns,
No,
okay?
bro.
I will let them know.
Bro. No, where you go?
All I know is she better act right because she definitely did commit a crime, man. Calling 911 and falsifying information and all of that. Like, I don't know. She better play real nice, keep it real cool, because she could definitely get locked up for that. That's got to be what, falsifying a report, misuse of 911. Like, those are things that I could think of off the top of my head. So she might want to play it real cool, boy, because you talking about going to school tomorrow without a phone. Shit, you might not be going to school tomorrow at all. You might be seeing a judge tomorrow, okay?
I'm leaving.
No, you're not.
I'm going to my car and I'm leaving.
No, you're not.
I am.
No, bro.
I am leaving.
No, because I want my phone.
You're not going to get your phone.
I don't give a y'all don't care.
Then go to the police department and complain
no.
about it.
Okay,
You're not gonna block our way.
No. Because I'm gonna do it how I want to do it. You got a problem with it? I don't give a okay. Y'all.
Okay, we're going to leave.
We didn't even take your phone.
I didn't take your phone. You back whenever they're done with it.
No, they're not.
Were we out here when your phone got taken?
I don't care. What y'all told though?
Yeah,
Okay.
but again, different department. I don't work in
Y'all work in
investigations.
but y'all work for each other
Yeah, but I don't communicate with the detectives, and they don't communicate with us.
18. I've never seen this before.
I never seen this too, cause my phone is gone, so y'all finna have a bad day, cause I'm having a bad day.
Well, we are not going to have a bad day.
Yes, y'all are, cause if I'm having a bad day, y'all gonna have a bad day.
You're gonna stop me from getting my vehicle.
All chaos.
All right.
Yes,
Perfect.
it's gonna be all chaos. I swear. Myself.
It's not what we live for. I'm trying to leave.
Oh, shoot.
I'm trying to leave, and you're not allowing me to get in my car.
They putting the black gloves on.
Not with my phone. No,
They about to get you together.
I know what I'm saying.
So I'm trying to
Just
get into my
call them
vehicle.
over there.
We've called them. They're not coming. They're not coming.
Better act right.
And to be 100% honest with you, if you don't let me get in the car and you let my partner get in the car and leave, you're going to get arrested.
Bro, ain't nobody stopping y'all getting in the car.
You keep
I'm just
walking
walking
over.
I'm just walking.
Conveniently, you're walking in our path.
So if I go to get my car,
There's an open space. I'm not walking in y'all path.
I'm leaving. This isn't funny.
The game's over.
I'm not playing no games. My day's gonna be going, y'all finna do.
My day ain't gonna go on just fine.
And your day was not ruined.
Yes, cause y'all took my phone. What the
All I know is they took your phone for investigation, and that's why they have your phone. That's all I know.
No.
And I can tell you that
But
you're
how
not
they
getting it back
finna lie
today.
to me and take my phone?
Well, I can tell you you're not getting it back today.
Yes, I am, bro.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No,
Yeah, yes, I am.
you're not.
Bro, all hell is gonna break loose. I swear to God,
It's
bro.
not.
Yes,
This is-
bro. I don't care if y'all talk, if y'all got your gun or y'all taser, bro. What's that gonna do? I don't
This
give
is a simple solution. We
no,
can just
bro.
let us
no,
leave.
No, y'all not finna leave.
Just let us leave.
No.
Let us leave.
Y'all stuck. You so y'all stuck.
I think we're past that point.
You're not going to get your phone because we went over this. They have your phone for an investigation.
They don't have a search warrant. Y'all can't come
Again,
to,
I don't know
y'all
what the
can't come
situation
inside
is.
each other's houses and be like, oh, I have a search warrant.
Well, I don't know what the situation is, okay? Right now, you're under arrest.
I'm not.
So, yeah, you are.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest. Stop over this thing. Put your hands behind your back.
Go back up.
Where the hell did she think she was running to?
Behind your back. You're under arrest.
Told you.
No. Oh, chill.
Chill.
I thought she said she wanted to have a bad day. Oh, we got a heavyweight. This is a big one. This is a big one. This is a heavyweight. She ain't going down that easy now.
All right, give us your wrist.
No.
Give us your wrist. I can't.
No.
Don't touch me, dude! Put your hand behind your back. I'm taking you.
No.
I'll put your hand behind your back right now. Put your hand behind your back and get taken.
Man.
Hey. Okay, sit up.
Dude, damn. All this f***ing mud on me. Damn.
Do you want to sit up?
Yeah.
Okay, sit up.
I'm finna get myself up.
Oh, you gotta roll on my leg. There, you drop your AirPods. Can we kindly help you?
Got her flopping around like a fish.
You got it up?
1, 2, 3.
What are you doing? Knock it off.
Oh, let me go. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You're free to go.
No, I'm sorry. I thought that was coming.
Oh, now she's sorry.
No, wait.
What? Turn around.
Damn.
What? Sit down.
Let me go. Let me go,
You're under
please.
arrest. Sit
No,
down.
no.
Sit down.
No. Okay, hold on. What am I being arrested for?
Obstructing. Get in the car.
Obstructing what?
Get in the car.
I didn't hit your car. I didn't hit your car.
You got a putt stop. Get in the car.
No, wait.
Sit down.
Wait, no. Please. No, please.
Sit down. Sit down.
No, please.
Get in the car. Slide in the car.
No, please, bro.
No.
Let me go.
You're under
I
arrest. You're
already
under
have
arrest.
court, bro. I already have enough court.
We
Please.
gave you
more.
ample opportunity, and I explained everything to you.
Down.
No.
Sit down.
Bro, I know y'all get paid for this shit. That's why y'all laughing.
Sit down.
We're not laughing.
Y'all get paid for this shit, right? Every time y'all arrest.
No. Sit down.
Get in the car.
You're hurting me, bro.
Get in the car.
You're hurting me.
You're
Let
under
go
arrest.
then. Let go.
Get in the car.
Get in the
You're
car.
hurting me, bro.
Get in the car.
Damn.
Put your legs in the car.
Wait, stop. Ow.
Sit in the car like a normal human.
Okay, stop.
Act appropriate. Okay.
Okay, let me
Roll over.
Okay, let me go.
Act appropriate.
Roll over.
Don't make my arm feel.
Roll your body over.
There you go.
Okay, let's
Sit down.
no. I'm not down.
Don't do that. There you go.
Thank you.
The woman was charged with misuse of 911, threatening an officer, resisting arrest, and damage to property. Thanks for watching today.
You can't make this stuff up. Now that's funny. That's some funny ass shit. Yeah, when you're dealing with these heavyweights, I mean, it could make for a long day. You know what I'm saying? It could definitely make for a long day. But it always amazes me how people could cause a ruckus and talk tough, right? Oh, I don't care what that taser gonna do. If I have a bad day, you gonna have a bad day. I want my phone. I'm getting my phone right now. Then they get that handcuff on them. Just let me go. Just let me go. I didn't do anything. Just let me go. Just let me go. When you had a lot of opportunities to just go. Just go. The cops was gonna leave. They let you know you ain't getting your phone. They just gonna let you go. Or, you know, they're just gonna go. And that's the end of the story. They're not gonna charge you with, you know, misuse of 911 services or whatever the case may be, because you even admitted that you know, sorry to waste your time. You know, you said that earlier. You know, you said that you reported a robbery, false descriptions, everything else. When it's cops, you know, they got you right there. But it was just gonna be smooth sailing. You decided to have a bad day, and this is what you get. But anyway, I think the cops did, they did okay. The only reason why I say they did okay is because I feel like there was too much time of them just talking and kind of the officer pleading with her to like, let me get in my car. Like, oh, just let me go. Just, you know, let me get in my car. You know, all of that. Listen, it's move, or you're going to get locked up. No, then you're going to get locked up. Straight like that. I'm not going to keep going back and forth pleading with you to let me in my own goddamn vehicle. It ain't happening. So, you know, I think they could have been more proactive about the situation. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, yeah. So I give a 3 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.